Hey! I'm Jen, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a panzanella salad. It's a seriously easy salad. Like, I think you could probably make this salad in under 15 minutes. Yeah, seriously, under 15 minutes. I'm so sure that you can do this in under 15 minutes that I'm going to time this to prove to you how quick it is. I haven't done this before. Obviously I've cheated a little bit, I've got all of my stuff ready. So I'm a little bit ahead of the game. I'll probably say about 5 minutes. So I'm going to time myself for 10 minutes. I'm going to give myself only 10 minutes to prepare this amazing salad. I'll put all the ingredients down below. While you're there, leave a comment, say hey, hit subscribe. Think that's a good idea. Let's go. So, what do you need? You're looking at around 800 grams of tomatoes. I have a huge selection here of different types. Capers, red onion, basil, jarred peppers, salt, olive oil, vinegar, pepper. Is this quite threatening? This feels quite threatening. You also want some stale bread. It doesn't really matter what bread it is. Probably not like some terrible packet bread, but like a fresh loaf that's gone stale. So pretty much perfect if you've been doing any lockdown baking and you've got a sad loaf sat in the corner of your kitchen. Use it in this salad. You're not going to regret it. It's delicious. Trust me. I think we're ready to hit the timer. I've been delaying and chatting because I'm a bit nervous that I'm not going to be able to do it. Okay, let's go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up this onion really small, thin slices. Oh my god, I'm panicking. Put that into a bowl, probably the one you plan to serve it in. And on top of that, you want to put about 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And then mix that up, I don't have anything to mix. On top of that, put 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Oh no! Mix that up. Okay, then you can throw in your capers. Chop up your roasted red pepper. Put that in. And now we're going to tackle your tomatoes, so you don't have to be precise with how you cut them up. My god, I don't think my bowl's big enough. That was such a stupid idea. Okay. Oh, we lost it again. I don't have time to change that's it. That cost valuable seconds. Next, your basil. Chop that up. I've suddenly got this horrible chopping technique. I don't know what I'm doing. This is definitely too small. And all that's left is to tear up your bread, put it in, and mix it up. Oh no! I didn't do it! No! Oh man! More or less 10 minutes. It's more or less 10 minutes. I'm really hot. I mean, I hope you can still see that this is a really easy salad to make. If you have the strength. Seriously. I just tried all that tomato. Hopefully your kitchen is better equipped than mine, and you have a bowl big enough. I think I'm going to split this into 2 bowls. No, I'm just going to split it. No, I'm going to split it. I'm going to split it. Hooray! We're finally done. So there it is. Your more or less 15-minute panzanella salad. I've made such a mess. That was way more stressful than I thought it was going to be. I've just taken a minute to clear out, cool off. Okay, so it's a 20-minute salad, which is still really quick. Let me know in the comments if you do end up making this recipe. Let me know if you like it, and thanks for watching this far, because that was a bit of a shambles. It's worth it. It was worth it. It's so good. Okay. It was definitely worth it.